In this video, I want to share with you how to download and install the GREENSHOT application. Okay, so to get the GREENSHOT application is the most awesome tool for making screenshots. You can get on your PC. Okay, you can get it on your Windows PC, and it's also for Mac, but the free version is on Windows PC. So what is GREENSHOT? It's a lightweight screenshot software tool for Windows with the following key features. Okay, so you can see the features over here. It's very quick to create screenshots, easily annotate screenshot and highlight and even obfuscate parts of the screenshot. Okay, you can export a screenshot in various ways. You can save to file, send to printer, copy to clipboard, and attach it and paste it somewhere, and so much more. Okay, so it's a very lightweight application that you can easily use to take screenshots at your convenience. Okay, so you just click on this to download and click on this link. It's freely available and it's open source. Okay, so you click to download. You can see it for Windows as well as for Mac. For Mac it's paid, but for Windows it's free. Okay, so you can come to the start menu over here and you can see GREENSHOT over here. So once you come to this arrow, you just click and you can see GREENSHOT over here. So you just click and you have a bunch of options to choose from. For example, you can capture a given region, or you can capture last region, or capture Windows completely, or capture full screen. With this you can do all sort of screen capture. Okay, you can capture Internet Explorer, which with this even this bunch of shortcuts you can use to capture as well. Capture Windows from list, and you can see other things, other features from here. Recording region, okay, indicator, settings, you can check on these settings, inbox, email, Windows, film, TV, mail, and so much more. Capture Internet Explorer from list, open image from a file. You can open an image that you've already captured, open last capture location. Okay, so much more. You can have preferences as well and support GREENSHOT and many more. And over here you can always exit GREENSHOT. So let's try to capture a given region within our application. So let's say within our Google Chrome we want to capture this particular region where we have the download. So all you need to do is to come to this arrow and click on it, and then we click on our GREENSHOT and we say we want to capture a given custom region. So click on this and you can see you can easily capture any location of your choice, and once you are done you just release and it has captured that. So you can save the display in dialog, okay, or you can save directly using preferred output settings, depending on what kind of preference you put. You can also paste directly to, you can send it to printer. You can have the available printers that you have. You can send to Microsoft Outlook, or you can open to on OneNote or PowerPoint. Okay, so assuming you want to open this on PowerPoint, you can easily do that as well. So you just click on PowerPoint and it's going to open PowerPoint with this screenshot. Okay, so you can see it on PowerPoint. This is a screenshot. You can easily customize it to your liking. Right, so you can proceed to just easily move or arrange your screenshot accordingly. You can do whatever you want with it, and once you're done you can always save this as a file that you can always refer back to. Maybe in your document you can make it GREENSHOT and you can say save. So basically this is how to use GREENSHOT. Always come back and check GREENSHOT if you want to take some more shots, or you can capture a region, or you capture the last region that you have captured and do so much more. So it's just very freely available and it's interesting and fantastic to try. Just give it a try and see the resolution and the ease of taking the screen capture. Try it for yourself and you'll be amazed by the performance and efficiency. So ladies and gentlemen, this is about GREENSHOT. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.